Hi, this is Joey Marcelo, and welcome to the Sunday International Business Presentation. You're in front of a wonderful opportunity, and I assure you, after this program, you'll be amazed na napakalaki po pala talaga ng opportunity in this industry called wellness. Before I start, let me just have some request. Una po sa lahat, just keep an open mind. I'm not saying that this opportunity is for you. Actually, may kasabihan po tayong opportunities never lost. It simply goes to those who are ready. The question is, ready na po ba kayo? So just keep an open mind. You'll never know, baka ito na po talaga yung hinahanap nating opportunity. My second request is that if you have some questions, pakisulat lang po sa isang maliit na papel. And later on, right after the presentation, you can ask or call the person who gave you this videotape. And of course, my last request is just keep a beautiful smile while watching this presentation. I assure you, the worst thing that can happen to you after this presentation is learn the value of nutrition and at the same time, learn the value of setting up your own home-based business. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the program. Now to start with, let me just present to you a concept na natutunan po namin several years ago. In fact, many people nowadays are really asking, how will I really know if a network marketing or a distribution company is really here for the long term? Ibig sabihin po na pag sumali kayo, siguradong tatagal na pwede mo nang ipamana sa mga anak mo. Let me present to you the concept of the four-legged horse. Ito pong konseptong ito ay natutunan namin sa isang international network marketer who have already earned millions of dollars because of this industry. And this is the concept of the four-legged horse. According to that guru in network marketing, a company, just like a horse, kailangan po niya ng 4 legs bago po yang makatakbo ng maayos. If a horse ay tatakbo at mapuputo ng isa niyang paa, I assure you, ito po ay babagal and eventually madadapa. Lalo na po, siguro, kung yung kabayo ay putol na ang 2 paa. And just like a horse, a company po should also have 4 legs. Ang kumpanya po, pag naputol po ang isa sa 4 niyang paa, hindi man ngayon, but I do believe that someday, it will also fold up just like the horse na naputulan ng isang paa.